Hello everyone, Kashif again, your friend, your study buddy. So let's get started. So today we are gonna go and see about how to delete something and how to create a route to delete something by ID. So, as you know, we have done some paths in previous videos. We have done this post thing, we have done this get thing, book by ID, and put method like how to update the book. Now we'll see the last part, that is delete a book by its ID. So we need to create a route and then we need to get the ID by params, right, guys? So let's just go. This is our files, our .js. So this is our previous data, update data by ID till there, till here, sorry. Now we have file, let's just see, delete by ID, delete book by ID. So app dot delete, sorry guys, sorry. Yeah, so route would be delete book slash ID. Request response. Fine, guys. Now let's find ID. Let ID, and ID will be getting request dot params dot ID. Guys, right? Now let's read DB. Let DB is equal to JSON dot parse. Now fs dot read file sync. Now we'll give the path db json utf-8. Now we have entire db, so from db we'll be extracting that array, books array. Let books equal to db dot books. Why I'm doing all this kind of stuff so decently fast? Because you guys are already familiar and we have done these things very slowly in previous videos, so that's why guys I'm doing this very in a decent pace. If you are not familiar how we have established this kind of folder structure and how we're doing all these things, please watch previous videos. And in every video I am just putting the prerequisite video, the previous one video, so please watch that video if you are not understanding bit by bit. So yeah, we have books, we have data. Now let's check if the ID is present or not. So let as ID is equal to, we'll be checking books dot sum book. Now book dot ID is equal to ID. So if any of the ID is matching from this ID that is coming from request, it will give us true or false, whatever it is, according to the scenario in has ID. Now we have has ID. Now let's check has ID if it's true. Let's go and respond something. So now what we need to respond, actually let me comment something. Now respond accordingly. Let result book equal to books dot filter. Now book return book dot id not equal to id. We need to return specific books which are not equal to this particular id, so that we can avoid that book, and in the end we can say we have deleted the book, right guys? And mm, yeah guys, we have result book, right? So we can do one thing, we can do db dot books is equal to result books, and now we can send res dot json oops, sorry guys, json dot stringify, because we need to stringify that, and fs dot write file sync path db.json. Now what we need to do is actually we don't need to do this, and now we need to send the db. We have stringified that and we are writing it. Sorry guys, book deleted status code also status 200. Okay, now if the id has false, has false, that means any of the id is not matching with this id. Okay, so the id is invalid. So in that case we'll do something like this, response.json uh, book not found. Okay guys, I think we have done this delete route and I think it should work. Let's go and run the server. Server is running and 4.4 correctly. Let's go to postman, create a route, duplicate it, rename it, delete book by id. It's a delete method, and delete book slash one. Let's say how many books we have in db there. Let's see, in db we have 2, 3 and 4, right? So I think let's delete 4. No, actually let's try to delete 1, because we don't have any id book with id 1, right? So it should return us book not found. 404 not found. I think we are doing some mistake. Oops. In route we don't need any kind of stuff like this. Delete book and id, delete book and id. Now we can see message book not found, and 200 not 200. Okay, is not the correct status for this. We need to return the 404. if anything is not founding from that side. So status 404. Do it again. Yeah, now we can see 404 not found. Let's see now 4. 4 we have the ID, we have the book, book deleted. Now let's go and check DB. Now let's see, we have only two books, 2 and 3. So guys, it's perfectly fine. It's working fine and we have done it correctly. And I'm quite happy to do this along the way because we have come, along the way and we have come this far because of us guys. You are just, beating me. I am just, beating me myself. And we are just practicing and we are understanding everything from scratch. We are building. Now I am very happy, guys, and I hope you are also happy. And thank you so much, guys. That's it from my side. I guess I have done a pretty good job for this. And with this, we have done this problem statement. We have done this objective build an express.js application to manage a collection of books using db.json as a database. And yeah, in future, guys, right now we are just creating our own database that is db.json is local. But in future, I am planning to integrate MongoDB database in our Node.js application. So I hope if I'll be doing that, you will be getting the video on that. And thank you so much, guys, for viewing me. And take care of yourself and have a good day. Bye bye.